Welcome to Saathwic Infotech. Uh, this is Kumar from Saathwic. This is going to be our first ever video in YouTube channel. So before we actually get started, right? So the plan here is like, okay, we are planning to give you the video a complete DevOps stuff. So to start with, we have picked up a topic of Linux shell scripting. We ensure that okay, this is like very interactive session going forward. And also, why do we pick up Linux is that okay, this is going to be a more important things everyone do there in life in IT industry. It's not just DevOps or anybody, right? It's going to be a common subject for everybody. But as per of a series is concerned, we picked up this as an first step. So we have subsequent series is going to be released based on like Python and DevOps CI tools, CD tools, and cloud basics and everything, right? So this is our going to be our kickstart video. So if you want to learn Linux shell scripting with respect to enterprise thing, right? So you should have your Linux environment configured on your client machines, right? Which is your laptop or your desktop. So this video is going to help you to understand how do you configure a virtual machine on your desktop so that in subsequent sessions we will use that virtual machine to practice all our Linux commands, right? So without further ado, yeah, let's get started with configuring the virtual machine, where to download and everything on that. Okay, so before we move forward, right, we need to download the Oracle VirtualBox, and then we need to install an Oracle VM appliance. Okay, so where do I get both of them, right? So it's all like provided by Oracle for free of cost for exploring, right? So okay, let me go to Oracle download. So you get something like Oracle VM VirtualBox. Download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's see which one will be the right one. So yeah, so here you get the package of everything, right? But before I go here, let me see. This is official website where you can download the VirtualBox. Okay, if you want to download VirtualBox, yeah, you can go and download it for Windows host. This will help you to download that. But I was looking for a link which is provided by Oracle uh, 23C download. Basically, Oracle database which is mentioned download, right? So this is the where like I was looking at. Okay, let me go to this link. So see, basically this is the one which I was looking for, where they give the appliance, they give the link to VirtualBox again. Here you see the link, right? Step 1, download and install Oracle VirtualBox. This will take you to the official link of this one. So you can download it from here or from here. So download the VirtualBox, okay? So let me open this link and show you, right? So yeah, so you have been navigated to the same link. So click on Windows install. You will get the VirtualBox getting downloaded. Okay. So once this VirtualBox is downloaded, we need to first install the VirtualBox. Okay. So yep, I get a warning. Let us install, because in my machine the VirtualBox is already installed. So I am not going to install, but I am going to show you the step-by-step process. Okay, click on next. Do not change anything, just click next. We will see how this networking and everything works when you work on like EC2 network configuration. Okay, not now. I will explain you in later point of time. Okay, click on next. Okay, it says like okay, or you want to allow Oracle to use all networking feature. I click on yes. Okay, it says like it want to install all the missing dependencies. Click yes. Okay, then install. So once this is done, you will have a similar to one which is there in my machine. So you will see something like this on your machine, which is nothing but Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Okay, so now you have a virtualization environment or virtualization setup, okay, which will help you to run multiple operating system on your machine. Okay, nowadays people you might be knowing, right, there is a cloning available in mobile phones where you can have two accounts, something like that, right? So same similar kind of concept. I don't say same, similar kind of concept, which is like virtualization, where you will have your both Windows and Linux operating system running on the same machine or same laptop or same desktop. So now the next step, like let's go to the same area, go to this one. The next step is to download the Oracle DB Developer VM. Okay, this one is of okay, let me give you a few brief, right? So this is a VM which has Linux operating system, on top of which they have installed their Oracle 23 C version, and it's fully configured. If you are a student or if you are an aspiring technologist, you want to learn Oracle along with this training, yes, this is the right place, this is the right VM to download. Okay, but as far as this training is concerned, I am going to explain you only about the Linux shell scripting part of that VM. Okay, if you really interested to learn more on Oracle or any other stuffs on related to Oracle, yes, please comment so that I can create much more videos on Oracle too. Okay, so if you click on this, okay, this will get downloaded. This will be of around 6.5 GB size, okay, which I have already downloaded on my machine. Okay, so I am not going to continue with this download. I am going to cancel this out. Okay, so once this is downloaded, what next needs to be done? So open your VirtualBox, go to File, Import Appliance. You have to select Import Appliance and go to your download directory where you have downloaded. So if you see, I have already downloaded it. So I'm going to select that one, click OK, next, finish. Okay, it's asked for your agreement. Okay, so I'm going to agree to that. So it takes some 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I will pass the video. Yeah, so after importing the appliance, right, you will see an icon here which says like Oracle DB Developer VM, and the status of it will be like in a state of powered off. So what does it mean? It means that you have a server ready and it's in switched off state. So basically you need to start your server in order to work on it, right? So let me go here, right click, start, normal start. So this is something like you are rebooting your laptop or you are rebooting the OS, right? Something similar to that. So you will see like powering up VM. It will again it will take like 1 or 2 minutes depending on your CPU and the memory and everything, right? So if you see, you are seeing my screen, right? So it's starting VirtualBox and everything you will get. So let me maximize the screen now. So you see, right? It's all about like starting your laptop. It's all getting booted up. So during the boot, you will see all these messages. Let's give us few more minutes to come up. Let the server come up completely. So if you look at, right, so the system is getting started. Along with that, the database is getting installed. If you look at the messages, right, the script is responsible for free database and its associated service. Maybe I'm not sure. Are you able to see it completely? Let me maximize the screen. You see the message, right? So it means that it install the OS, means that it install the Linux version for you, and it installs the Oracle database, and it does its own configuration. Okay, so it is going to come up in few seconds. Yep, I think it's all done, I guess. Just few more seconds to go. Yeah, here you go, right? So now if you look at this, you get another machine inside your VM. So the machine user is Oracle. Okay, what happened? Okay, it says like update available and my machine is up completely now. Okay, so you have your VirtualBox up and running. Let me see if I can maximize it. Okay, let me close all these things, right? So there are few applications already running. Close terminal, close it, close it. close it, close it. You may ask like, okay, Kumar, like why are you getting all these things when you are opening it for new? Basically, it's taking it from cache where I have already installed this VM. So it's taking the same details from my data files. Yeah. So now if you look at this, right? So this is the Linux server. So again, keep in mind, you then don't get access to the screen in real-time environment. Okay, this server will have similar to all the features, like it will have folders, it will have a browser, it will have a terminal, which is nothing but your notepad or command prompt, similar to your Windows, right? So, but okay, Kumar, what do I really use then from my Windows laptop client? If I'm connecting to the Linux server, what is the one which I will be really using it? It means that you will be given access to use only this terminal. So you will be using this terminal to do any operations. So for example, if I'm connecting to this system through my mobile XTerm or through my PuTTY, I will be given access only to use this terminal. Okay. So whatever the action I explained you, right? If I want to open a folder, if I want to list the files, or if I want to open a file, everything needs to be done only from the terminal. So it's all like kind of a comments. So you should know the list of comments to be used to do your day-to-day operations. Okay. So what we can do is like, okay, it's almost like very long video. So what I am planning to do is like, okay, we stop here. Okay, the next video is all about like what are the commands which we will be using in this Linux server to interact to the machine, however I am doing in my desktop Windows machine. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any feedbacks and comments, please feel free to type in comment, which will help us to improve my training as well as the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching.